Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel, where I give you the best and most honest motorcycle reviews. Today, I have a surprise for you. The 2023 Aprilia Tuono 660, including the Tuono 660 factory, which is an up-spec version of this amazing bike. The Tuono 660 is Aprilia's mass-market middleweight naked bike, inspired by the legendary Tuono Fi 41100, but with a more approachable and affordable package. In this video, I will show you all the features and specs of this bike, as well as take it for a spin and give you my honest opinion. So, let's get started. The first thing that catches your eye about the Tuono 660 is its stunning design. The bike has a sharp and aggressive look, with aerodynamic winglets integrated into the side cowlings, a sporty tail section, and a sleek LED headlight. The bike comes in three colors: Rush Gray and Torque Red for the base model, and Acid Gold for the premium version. The factory version also has a more premium finish, with blacked-out components and graphics. The Tuono 660 has a compact and lightweight frame, with a dry weight of only 183 kilograms. The seat height is 820 millimeter, which is not too high for most riders. The bike also has a comfortable riding position, with a wide handlebar, a spacious seat, and rear-set foot pegs. The frame of the Tuono 660 is based on the RS 660 sport bike, which means it has a high-performance chassis that can handle any road condition. The frame is made of aluminum alloy, with a double beam structure that provides rigidity and stability. The frame also has a seat-supporting subframe that reduces weight and improves handling. The swing arm is also made of aluminum alloy, with an asymmetrical design that optimizes weight distribution and balance. The engine of the Tuono 660 is a parallel twin-cylinder, 4-stroke liquid-cooled unit that displaces 659 cc. The engine produces 100 horsepower at 10,500 RPM and 49 pound-feet of torque at 8,500 RPM. The engine has a bore and stroke of 81 x 63.93 mm and a compression ratio of 13.5:1. The engine also features Aprilia's signature electronic throttle control system, which allows for different riding modes and settings. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission that has a slipper clutch for smooth downshifts. The factory version also has a quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts. The suspension of the Tuono 660 is one of the main differences between the base model and the factory version. The base model has Kayaba suspension components, with an upside-down fork at the front and a single shock at the rear. Both are adjustable for preload and rebound damping. The fork has a travel of 120 mm, while the shock has a travel of 130 mm. The factory version of the Tuono 660 sports refined suspension that is ideal for sports riding. The Sachs shock absorber with separate reservoir is adjustable in its compression, rebound damping, and spring preload, while the Kayaba fork is fully adjustable in the same three parameters. The fork has a travel of 120 mm, while the shock has a travel of 130 mm. The braking system of the Tuono 660 is another area where Aprilia does not compromise on performance or safety. The bike has dual disc brakes at the front and a single disc brake at the rear, both with radial-mounted calipers and steel-braided lines. The front discs are 320 mm in diameter, while the rear disc is 220 mm in diameter. The bike also has ABS as standard, which can be switched off if desired. The wheels of the Tuono 660 are made of aluminum alloy, with a 6-spoke design that reduces weight and enhances agility. The wheels are shod with Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2 tires, which are high-performance tires that offer excellent grip, stability, and durability. The tire sizes are 120 by 70 ZR17 at the front and 180 by 55 ZR17 at the rear. These tires are suitable for both road and track use, as they can adapt to different temperatures and conditions. The headlight of the Tuono 660 is a LED unit that has a distinctive shape and style. The headlight has a triple light function, with a daytime running light, a low beam, and a high beam. The headlight also has a cornering light function, which activates additional LEDs on the side of the headlight according to the lean angle of the bike. This improves visibility and safety in low light conditions. The instrument panel of the Tuono 660 is a 5-inch TFT color display that shows all the essential information and settings of the bike. The instrument panel has two display modes, road and track, which can be selected according to your riding style and preference. You can also use the Aprilia MIA app to customize your riding modes and settings, as well as record your performance data and share it with other riders. The electronics of the Tuono 660 are one of the highlights of this bike, as it offers a comprehensive package of rider aids and features that enhance performance and safety. The bike has a 6-axis IMU that monitors the pitch, roll, and yaw of the bike, as well as its acceleration, deceleration, and lean angle. Based on this data, the bike adjusts its electronic systems accordingly, such as traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, cruise control, and ABS. The bike also has 5 riding modes: commute, dynamic, individual, challenge, and time attack. Each mode has different settings for power delivery, throttle response, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, ABS, and quick shifter. You can select your preferred mode using the switchgear on the handlebar or through the instrument panel. The exhaust of the Tuono 660 is a single exit unit that has a sporty look and sound. The exhaust is made of stainless steel and has a catalytic converter that meets Euro 5 emission standards. This exhaust is full exhaust system 2.1, which has a single muffler on the right side of the bike that connects the two headers to the muffler. The exhaust delivers a deep and throaty roar that matches the character of the bike. The price of the Tuono 660 starts from $10,499 for the base model and $10,999 for the factory version in the US market. The bike is expected to be available in dealerships by early 2023. If you're interested in this bike, you can visit Aprilia's website or your nearest dealer for more information. That's it for my review of the 2023 Aprilia Tuono 660 and Tuono 660 factory. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this amazing bike. In my opinion, this is one of the best middleweight naked bikes on the market right now, as it offers a perfect balance of performance, technology, style, and versatility. It is a bike that can do it all, from commuting to touring to track days. It is also a bike that can appeal to a wide range of riders, from beginners to experts, from casuals to enthusiasts. If you are looking for a fun and exciting bike that will make you feel alive every time you ride it, then you should definitely check out the Tuono 660. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more motorcycle reviews. Until next time, ride safe and have fun.